To fix an LG dishwasher that keeps turning off, it's essential to identify the underlying cause. The unit may be overheating due to a clogged vent, or there could be issues with the door latch or power supply. To address these problems, start by cleaning the machine's vent. This involves powering down the machine, removing the outer door panel and control panel, and locating the vent above the door. Use a damp cloth to remove dirt and debris from the vent, ensuring it is completely clear. If this doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the door latch for signs of damage and consider replacing it if necessary. Another potential cause is a problem with the power supply. Check the unit's power cord for signs of wear and damage, and replace it if necessary. Verify that the cord is firmly plugged into the socket, and examine the circuit breaker to see if it has tripped. If it has, reset it and restart the machine. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your LG dishwasher and prevent it from turning off unnecessarily.